We are in San Diego today. We're here to celebrate Lizel's birthday and spend some time at a few family parties. It's been a while since we've had a weekend home together, so we're really excited about it.
We are in San Diego, and our very first stop is tacos. I just ate carne asada taco here at Tacos El Gordo, and there's nothing better but San Diego Mexican food.
I should know by now that any trip to San Diego is going to entail a lot of eating.
It's Abby's birthday. We're gonna eat the best.
Yes, indeed. It's been a while.
Mom, we're ready to eat.
So this is my first time at Fogo de Chao, and I did not know that it was a buffet. A buffet! I feel like it's my birthday. Yeah, it's a buffet.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Not for me. Yes, thank you.
I'm always glad when we can get together to have a meal, even if it's only once in a while. This is the company I long for at times when we're back in Seattle.
Okay, so while we were eating, I realized that my camera had run out of battery, so wasn't able to capture the great happy birthday song at the Brazilian barbecue spot, which was really good, by the way. But I decided that we would run to the local camera store here in San Diego and pick up some spare batteries, so we wouldn't have to worry about that for the rest of the weekend. Do you think this charges GoPro batteries?
If you need it for whatever reason, our return policy is in the bottom.
Okay, cool.
And do you need a bag?
No, thanks.
Okay, guys.
All right,
You're all set.
With all the technical issues out of the way, we are finally able to check in and hang out at the hotel.
We got the batteries, we got the drinks, we got the snacks. The next logical thing to do with a room like this is, I don't know, throw a hotel party. Babe, throw a hotel party? When I said hotel party, I didn't necessarily think that we were gonna go as hard as we went last night. Oh! Yes!
Brought some McAllen for a non-McAllen.
You know, we were supposed to have a few people over, take some pictures here in the hotel, get a nice dinner.
Tacos are good, bro. Right here, bomb. Tacos are good. What is this taco right here? Carnitas.
Be more studious.
Bomb.
And then come home. I blame the Raptors. Raptors won, and I said if the Raptors won, we're going out, and so we're going out.
Even though we were out late, I'd say it was worth it. And remember when I missed out on us singing happy birthday to Lizel? Well, it all worked out when it happened again outside the club.
Happy birthday, dear Lizel. Happy birthday to
Today I'm headed to my nephew's baptism in LA, which is why I have such an early start.
So in my family, we have a tradition where soon after a baby is born, we baptize them into our church, and we ask siblings and cousins or friends and family to be ninongs and ninangs to the baby. So I got asked to be a ninong today, and which is why I'm really happy and really excited to be here.
Rafael Pino, bibinikan kita sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
As tiring as travel could be, we always try our best to make it to moments like these. Meanwhile, back in San Diego, we are celebrating my brother Bradley's graduation from pharmacy school. This is a continuation from our celebrations in Stockton a few weeks ago when we all got to see him cross the stage in his cap and gown. I mean, we are all so proud of his accomplishment that, you know, we just had to keep this party going.
You want a small soju shot? Family one with mom. We're about to do a soju shot with my mom and my sister and Angelo
And me. Soju shot.
Speech. All right. So this degree is all of our degrees. We're all doctors today.
Yay! Cheers!
San Diego will always be home, whether it's for the weekend or for a future chapter of our lives. When I'm here, life feels good. Life feels full. Life feels warm. And life feels its best. There is nowhere in the world like San Diego. And a lot of that is because of the people, the memories, the culture, the food. Every bit adding to why we will always love this place. San Diego, until the next time we're back, my name is Angelo, and thanks for watching.